Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rebecca Robeson. I am very excited about today. Today is an intro to a new series that we have coming here on YouTube, and it's all on styles. As a professional designer for over 35 years, I've had so many opportunities to do tons and tons, hundreds of people's homes. And of course, they all have a different style. But I will say my approach to design all these years has been to design a home specific for that homeowner, which meant it was never any one particular style. It was a combination. A little of this and a little of that. So at the end of this entire series where I take videos and I take one topic at a time, one style at a time, I will at the end do some videos on how to combine styles successfully to get something that is uniquely and personally yours. You know, back in the day, having a defined style wasn't as much of a thing as it is today. You know, we have Pinterest and Instagram and of course here on YouTube. And I find that the younger generation finds value and comfort in identifying your style. Although it wasn't my past history to do it that way, I do see value in it because I think it helps you, the homeowner, identify the things that you love the most, giving you a sense of a particular style you can go in. Now, you can add things to it, but what is your core style? I want to bring to you the most comprehensive and correct way to define these styles, their characteristics, the things that make each style. It's from at the core, what's the really important thing? And from there, you can take it and make it your own. I can tell you that when I was a young designer, Scandinavian was a thing. But I can tell you right now, Scandi back then is not the Scandi of today. Nor is bohemian, how I think bohemian, the same as it is to today's bohemian. Today's bohemian is all about the neutral colors, the strings, the jute, layering things in all the natural colors, which I think is actually really beautiful. The reason you're coming to me is I'm going to give you my version of what these styles mean and what they are. Whatever it is, whatever the topic, we're going to cover it and it's going to be fun. Do you see these? These are all of the design styles, of which there are 18. And some of these were new styles to me, which was very exciting. Some of them I actually fell in love with. So I am so excited to do this. And you know what's at the top? I have all the clothes I bought. I went shopping. So each style has an outfit that matches and goes perfectly with the style. Here's the best part, my friends. Do you want to know how to identify your own personal style? Well, I can tell you. We've been working on a brand new style quiz. When I say brand new, it is brand new. And guess what else it is? It's free. Not kidding. You have to go to my website. Not yet. Don't go until next week when we upload the first of the videos, where, by the way, you want to know what the subject's going to be? It's going to be looking at the modern style and contemporary. Let me just say, there's a controversy out there in the design world about it. So we're going to tackle that one first. That's going to be real fun. Oh, and can I just say, my contemporary outfit is so cute. So, as of next week, we will put a link in the description box below that'll take you right to that style quiz. And I promise it's interactive. I've been very involved in it, as well as Anastasia and Angela. And we've created a brand new one. This has new styles on it. We're gonna highlight the things that you love and help you make choices to get you to this place where you've got a really good understanding of your style. You know what that's gonna do? That's going to help you when you go shopping, when you do your own planning and design in your own home, because you're going to know what to look for and how to identify the things you know up front that you already really love. This is not a video where I'm going to sit and lecture you for 20 minutes on a particular style. This is going to be interactive. Well, not interactive unless you want to come to Tulsa. Other than that, we're going to go and we're going to tour some homes here in Tulsa, some absolutely exquisite, gorgeous homes. You're going to get to see that. And at that point, I'll be able to identify a lot of these things. Then I have some stores that I'm going to that'll show you the kinds of accessories that go with this particular style, or the kinds of artwork that goes with this, or maybe the perfect kind of a rug for a contemporary room, or whatever style ends up being your style. That is going to be super fun. We'll also have video of some of my own projects where I can point out different things, and I'm going to walk you through my own home. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me today. I hope you're hyped up for this new series that's coming. I think it's going to be amazing. I will tell you that there's a lot of controversy over some of these styles because we see it from where it was before and where it has gone today, but that's all part of the exciting learning experience. So let's do this together, okay? All right, I will see you guys next time, next Thursday, 2 o'clock Central. Bye-bye. Back in my day, basically it looked like you should be on a bus with a Partridge Family, smoking and having beads at your front door. That was bohemian. It's not like that today. Can't say that?
Can't say that. Let's try that again.
Okay.
Just watch me now.